Aquaware Training 7. Adding a custom intention to a quantum layered session. Welcome back. Up to this point, you've learned how to run sessions. You've learned how to create custom intentions. Now we connect the two. In this training, we are integrating your custom intention into a quantum layered session. This is where personal design becomes structured architecture. Step 1. Launch Aquaware. Click Quantum Layered Sessions. Click Edit. Select the QLS you would like to modify. Click Accept. You are now inside the QLS builder. Click Insert, New Session here. Click Personal. Locate the custom intention you created. Select it. Click Accept. Your intention is now added to the QLS sequence. You may reorder layers if needed. Remember, QLS runs sequentially, not simultaneously. Each layer carries its own power configuration. Now click Run. You will see the execution screen, Water Prep, User Prep, then nucleating all intentions into your glass of water. Now press Run Program. Water Prep begins. User Prep follows. Then each intention is nucleated in order. Allow the session to complete. When finished, click the X. On the next screen, click Cancel. Now click Save. You may change the title if you would like. Store the updated QLS. Pause for a moment. Understand what you just did. You created a custom intention. That intention generated a mathematical formula. You then layered that formula inside a structured sequence, and that structure was transferred into water. This is modular design. This is scalable architecture. You are no longer just using Aquaware. You are expanding it. And when you understand how custom formulas integrate into quantum layered sessions, you realize this system is not about random intention. It is about structured mathematics. It is about sequencing. It is about architecture. And architecture, when applied consistently, produces results.